Hey, my name is Rodney, and I'm trying to summit all 58 Colorado 14ers. Today, I'm attempting to summit Mt Bierstadt, a great beginner 14er.
It is a beautiful morning out here, and I'm getting ready to knock out 14er number 4 out of 58, and I am here at Bierstadt, I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly, but this is a 14er, right outside the Denver area. Takes a little over an hour to get here, so it's nice and convenient. It's actually about mid-September, and fall is definitely coming. In fact, they got snow the other day. You can see a little bit of snow at the very top there, so we'll see what it's like once I get up there. But I was concerned that it would be really cold, but right now it feels amazing up here. I'm excited about knocking out this trail. I've never been up in this area. It is beautiful. There's a lake down below. It'd be great if you could see like a moose or something. I don't know if that's going to happen, but gonna hit this trail and get to it.
Now for the all-important toilet review. It was clean, but the door handle was missing. The only thing keeping someone from looking in was a paper towel that was stuffed into the opening. Hopefully that's been fixed. I'm going to give it a 3.5 out of 5. The trail to the summit of Mt Bierstadt is 7.2 miles round trip with 2,736 feet of elevation gain and is a class 2 climb. But don't let the class 2 rating discourage you. It is considered a class 2 because of a boulder climb at the summit. However, in my opinion, Mt Bierstadt is the easiest 14er. Now, I'll say that easy is a relative term. All the 14ers are hard, but an elevation gain of 2,736 feet isn't bad compared to the other 14ers. 7 miles round trip isn't the shortest trail, but the climb is gradual in the beginning compared to Mount Sherman, for example, another easy trail that is steep right off the bat. As a bonus, it is close to Denver, making it a great 14er if you're just starting your 14er journey.
This is amazing. I am really hoping that I see some moose. I was just talking to a woman that was going down the trail, and she says that she was here one time and she saw two bull moose in the middle of the pond eating the grass at the bottom, which would be something amazing to see. So I'm crossing my fingers that I will see something like that. I got my camera gear ready, see if I can catch that. So this is a nice little lake. You can see hoof prints, so it's a possibility.
After looking into the name change from Mount Evans to Mount Blue Sky, I became curious about the names of the other peaks. Mt Bierstadt is named after Albert Bierstadt, an American landscape painter who made the first recorded summit of the mountain in 1863. Whenever I read things like that, it makes me laugh because this mountain has been around for forever and people have been living in the area for centuries. There is no way he's the first person to summit it, but he's getting the credit. It is what it is.
The beginning of the trail is easy. You're just kind of walking downhill a little bit, and now I'm starting to begin the climb, and I'm at that point where, man, does it look far away, especially with the GoPro. It looks even further away. But I'm at the point where like, oh, this should be exciting, but boy, that's really far. But one step at a time. hikes I go on, I just cannot get enough of views like this. It's beautiful, it's so peaceful, it's calming, and I just can't get enough of it. And one thing I've been focusing on when I've been going out and hiking is not focus so much on the destination, but enjoy the journey. If you see a nice spot, a nice lookout spot, take it. Take it all in. Take breaks. Take your time. What's the point in rushing? It's not a race, and it's just incredible. So far, so good. I've actually seen two women that are running up this thing, and I'm a trail runner, but I am nowhere close to being able to run up something like this, so respect to them. I'm starting to see some people off there in the distance, so that also gives me a little bit of motivation when you can see the people ahead and getting closer and closer to the summit. Nice, smooth, not too rocky, easy on the legs portion of the trail is done, and it is all steps. Steps and more steps and more steps from here on out. So definitely taking more breaks just to make sure I can catch my breath. Starting to fill it in the legs, but I don't think I'm too far off from the summit. Push here. Looks like it's gonna be pretty technical. And I can see off in the distance Mount Evans. I'm not sure how hard it's gonna be to find the route up there, but I'll just see what everybody else does.
There is a clearly marked trail through the boulders to the left. I did not see that, so don't go the way that I am going. I repeat, do not go the way that I am going. I quickly figured out that this was not the right way. Let's give this another shot. Nope, this is not the right way either. Okay, still not there. One more shot. Ah, finally, success.
Okay, made it to the summit of Bierstadt, number 4 out of 58 down. Off in the distance there is Mount Evans, or it was about a few weeks ago. The hike wasn't too bad. The scramble up to the top, that got a little confusing, but made it up here either way. Gonna enjoy the view, have a beer.
Click here to see the most popular and my favorite 14er so far.